Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by Richmond Estate in St. Anne, in the Richmond area of St. Anne. Now this is the number one development in Jamaica. As you can see, very nicely done. This kind of development is something you would find in a first world country. Now Richmond set a standard in Jamaica for developments like this. Gated community, scenic or well landscaped areas and homes, single dwelling homes. Now, this is the Richmond has about 5 phases, and this is the third phase. The first phase we've shown numerous videos of. The second phase is the apartments, which is the Fern Court, and then this is the third phase, which is Cool Shade. And this is one of the biggest phases of Richmond Estate. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening here. Cool Shade is one of the most distinctive residential phases within Richmond Estate, a large master planned community located in Prairie St. Anne, just minutes from Ocho Rios. Over the years, Richmond Estate has become a benchmark for gated community living on Jamaica's north coast, and Cool Shade represents a mature, well-established part of that vision. Developed as a modern suburban neighborhood, Cool Shade was designed to balance comfort, security, and lifestyle convenience. The homes in this phase are primarily detached single-family homes, many with 3 bedrooms, open-plan living areas, and private yards. Architectural design are practical and contemporary, aimed at families, professionals, and returning residents looking for move-in ready housing in a secure environment. One of Cool Shade's strongest selling points is its integration into the wider Richmond Estate ecosystem. Residents benefit from 24-hour security, controlled access, and professional property management through the Homeowners Association. This structured approach has helped Richmond maintain its reputation as one of the more organized and well-kept residential developments outside of Kingston. Lifestyle amenities play a major role in Cool Shade's appeal. Residents enjoy access to a clubhouse, swimming pool, gym facilities, and recreational spaces, all within a short drive or walk. The estate also features green areas and internal road networks that encourage a quieter, community-focused atmosphere away from the congestion of nearby town centers. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.